Lookup values can be populated by a script or executable by using external lookups. When you pass values to the external lookup, the underlying script creates a CSV file in memory using the supplied arguments as headers. Event values, supplied for matching, are added to a column, and the script fills in the empty lookup values. These values will usually come from external sources the script reaches out to for information. As values are filled in, they are returned to Splunk as field values for the lookup. As with KV store lookups, an admin user will be required to set up the items needed for an external lookup. External lookups must be a Python script or binary executable. These must be added to the deployment in either the bin directory for an app or the search scripts directory in the etc directory of your Splunk install. Splunk ships with an external scripted lookup out of the box. This is a Python script stored in the Splunk home directory within etc system bin. And to use this sample script, it requires moving it over to a specific directory, creating a lookup definition, and then invoking it using the lookup command. Now, in this example here, we are using a lookup definition of DNS lookup. We are passing in client host as the input field or client IP as the input field. If we pass in client host as the input field, it will output the values of client IP. And if we pass in client IP, it will output the values of client host. Those will be the fields and their values that are populated to the search results. The process for defining an external lookup is heading up to the Settings Lookups Lookup Definitions page, creating a new lookup definition, selecting external as the type, providing a name, and the command along with the arguments that are required to run the script. From there, we would provide a comma-separated list of the supported fields, save that, and then invoke that external lookup. The arguments passed to the script are the field headers from the input-output files.